My name is Youssef Hossam. I am part of the team that built the smart home system. The team members are Mohamed Melouk, Mohamed Marwan, Mohamed Raouf, and I. The system detects motion in a certain range, that then turns a LED bulb on. Then it checks the temperature and turns the motor on, if the measured temperature is higher than a certain degree. For example, when someone enters the room, the motion sensor will detect his motion and turns the light bulb on, indicating that the motion sensor has detected motion in the room. Then, the room temperature is checked using a digital temperature sensor. The measured temperature is compared with the homeowner's preference temperature. If the measured temperature is higher than the owner's preference temperature, a fan resembled a fan resembled by a motor is turned on. The project aim is to increase comfort and preserve energy. My role was planning and deciding which components are the most suitable for the smart home system, depending on their quality, price, and the amount of configuration needed to operate it.
My name is Mohamed Raouf. My role was configuring the input hardware, connecting them to the breadboard and the Arduino board, and testing the values measured by them.
My name is Mohamed Marwan. My role was configuring the output hardware, connecting them to the breadboard and Arduino board, and testing them.
Hello, my name is Mohamed Melouk, and my role was the final assembling of the component code and connecting the components with the Arduino board.
Here are the components of the system we built. This is motion sensor, a LED bulb, a temperature sensor, a motor, a Arduino Uno board, two resistors.
Now we will test the system with a very low user preference temperature to show you what will happen if the room's temperature was higher than the user's preference temperature. Move, Tony. Good boy, Tony. The LED bulb is turned on because the motion was sensed. Now we will test the system with a very high user preference temperature to show you what will happen if the room temperature was lower than the user's preference temperature. Move, Tony. Now, as you see, the LED bulb is turned on, and the motion was sensed, but the motor wasn't turned on because the room temperature was lower than the reference temperature.